see the past 1 week workout of my transformation day, which I have been posted as a series in this channel. We have also make it as an playlist. You can check it. You can check it what are the things I have just done this planks and body squats and certain things. I do some running and finally I ended up stretching. In the next day, it's basically the next day, but I have to travel to which is about 18 kilometers. So I take it as an advantage and I was cycle there. So I have traveled 18 kilometers in 1 hour and 16 seconds. And then after that completed, I have on this day. This time I have chosen alternate route, which is about 25 kilometers. In that 25 kilometers, I have just completed it on 1 hour and 45 minutes. It has been such a wonderful day for workout without being complete right. And then put my card in and just wait for a second. Just to refresh kickback, bicep curl, and I done the cardio and the yoga machine. And this day I have just have a stress relief session in the office space, which was also just and then the next day I go to knee Russian twist, step-ups and punching jabs in the face. Out and exited the gym. Before going into the video, this video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping app is one of the online shopping app just like the Amazon and Flipkart, Zipto, whatever you can say. You can just check the link in the description, and if you want, you can just place order of your choice. Extension with the thumbbell and the lateral raises, the thumbbell and tricep push down with the machine, and finally go to the treadmill and cool down and exit the gym. On the next day, I have just warmed up and done some assisted workout with 50 kilograms and lat pull down and isolate review and bicep curl, features for my cardio. I have traveled 10 kilometers in leg day. I just warmed up and done some body weight squats, then the hack squats, then the leg press and seated leg curl with leg extension and the seated calf raise. And finally done the cardio with the spinning for 5 minutes and slow down. Spinning is so hard. This is today's workout. Again, the rowing machine. In the starting, it's finish the cardio. Then the recurrent bench press, pec fly, isolate row, high row, tricep kickback, bicep curl, and I just stretched out and returned. If you love this content, just make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And bye bye, guys.